For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Hello, and you're watching News 9 Digital with me, Deepak. Well, the Ministry of Home Affairs announced a few guidelines for Unlock 3.0, and one of the biggest reliefs came to all the gym owners and also fitness enthusiasts. So the MHA said that from August 5th, yoga institutes and gyms can resume their services. And today is August 5th and I'm at a gym right now. So let us find out if the gym is following all the safety precautions, and also if it is safe to hit the gyms at all. Well, I'm currently at one of Indiranagar's most elite gyms, and with me is the trainer and the owner of A3 Fitness, Mr. Sai Prasanna himself. So let me find out as to how he ensures safety protocols are followed in the gym, and also keeping in mind the current situation, even social distancing is followed during such times. So many thanks for joining us, Mr. Sai. First of all, I would like to ask you, suppose if I am a trainee, what are the safety precautions that you offer to me?
Keeping in mind, with the current situation, we are ensuring as clients enter, they take precautions before, during and after. Once we have sanitization stations present, we do the temperature checks, we do their oximeter reading, and as they come in, we expect them to have clean shoes, clean attire, and maintain at least a 6 feet distance between them and their co-training partners.
Okay, and also there are a lot of equipment in your gym, and how do you ensure that each equipment is sanitized before another person uses it? Because there are reports which suggest that COVID-19 also spreads from surfaces, frequently touched surfaces, that in gym it is very common that equipment is used by everybody. So how do you ensure that?
Okay, that's a good question. So as we finish our sanitization process and everything, we ask our clients to wear disposable gloves firstly, and their working out gloves on top of that if they choose to. We also have our staff, including our strength coaches, who are addressed to use disinfectant sprays after each use or after every hour. In this way, we can ensure that there is no there's no virus transmitting onto you from surface contact at least. So these are basic measures I think most places can afford to do, and I also feel is very, very important to basically keep your equipment and your place clean and sanitized.
And also, a lot of people are in two minds whether or not to wear masks when they go to gym. So what is your opinion?
Personally, masks will not help you, because the whole point of coming and exercising, whether you're doing your basic from flexibility to the most anaerobic of routines, you cannot work out without a mask. Parallelly, you can definitely make use of face shields, which are a little more easy depending on your mindset. As you get comfortable, coming into the gym, stepping out, I think face shields would do a great deal. And then mask per se, I wouldn't recommend at all. It is definitely not going to serve your purpose.
Well, that was Mr. Sai Prasanna, the owner and also a fitness trainer in Indiranagar. So now let us speak to one of the trainees who come to his gym very regularly, and for the past 5 months, the gym has been closed, but now, after the MHA announced the guidelines, it has come out as a big relief to all the fitness enthusiasts, and with me right now is one among them. So let me ask him a few questions as to how he feels coming to the gym after a very long time.
Hi. Well, it's a great feeling to come to the gym after a long time, and I think it's important for everyone to work out, like he said, even briefly get their mobility, their nutrition, everything in the right order to build a good immune system to fight what we're going through.
And also, what are the safety precautions that you as a trainee is following in the gym?
So firstly, if you're wearing dirty shoes, you're not allowed. You need to be fully covered up. When you walk in, you have to sanitize yourself. You have to have your gloves on. You have to do the temperature check. Once you pass all that, then you're let into the gym.
And also, many people are skeptical about going out to the gyms because, like I mentioned earlier, even virus spreads through frequently touched surfaces, and gym equipments are a perfect example to that. So what do you suggest to all those people? What is your message?
As long as you're safe, you keep sanitizing yourself, keeping your personal hygiene in check. If you're careful, you use your sanitizer enough, wash your hands regularly, build a good immune system, wear a mask, and you're protected, I think it should be all right.
Okay, there you.
You can't always be sitting in the house for the rest of your life, right? So yeah, it should be okay, I think.
Well, the views and opinions of the trainer and the trainee is almost similar, because at a time when we don't have a vaccine, following safety protocols and maintaining social distance are the only weapons that we have to fight and defeat COVID-19. Well, today is August 5th, and according to the guidelines released in Unlock 3, the Ministry of Home Affairs gave permission to all gym owners and yoga institutes to resume their services, as there were a lot of restrictions imposed on gyms and yoga institutes during the lockdown. Well, it is not just 1 or 2 gyms that have remained closed in the city, but many more gyms across the city have failed to resume their operations, and that is due to several reasons. Whether it could be because the owner has not yet come out with his safety plans or even the safety protocols or the safety measures that he would like to put in place in the gym to avoid the spread of COVID-19. And one such gym is in Shantinagar, and there is a note which has been stuck to the glass of this gym which says, due to the current scenario regarding the spread of coronavirus, gym will be closed anytime without prior notice. So although the last 2 gyms didn't have any such notice put up, many gyms across the city have remained shut, and it might take a few more days for gym owners to come out and resume their operation.